Yo guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free TikTok coins on iOS or Android devices. It literally takes 1 minute to get this. It's basically a glitch. And what you can see here called TikTok Plus Plus is not an app. This is not an app, okay? This is not a modified app. This is a browser extension. You can install through your browser extensions right now. You can use Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, any other browser, and you can install extensions. So basically this extension, what it does is each time I run this extension, this runs the original TikTok app, as you can see here. And now what you're gonna do is go to here on your profile, go here on this menu, go to balance, and you will see that this extension will modify the amount of coins that you have on your TikTok account. As you can see here, by default, you'll get 1 million of it, but it also modifies the store. So if you go to the store, you will see that everything is $0. So you can literally press as many times as you want, and this will recharge your account with unlimited free TikTok coins. So yeah, this is very useful because now you can just purchase anything you want inside TikTok, just gift to your favorite creators and all that. So now I'm going to show you how to do this glitch. Super easy. In less than 1 minute, you'll learn how to do it. There are a few things you need to tweak first on your device just to make sure it will work. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to go to settings, and here in settings, scroll down, go to battery. And on battery, just check that the low power mode that you have here, it's turned off. For Android, if you're an Android user, just search where your battery settings are and just make sure you have a normal power mode of the battery. So after doing this, you can close this, and now you are gonna jump into the App Store or Google Play Store, and here you'll need to find literally the TikTok original app. So just type TikTok. Oh, oops, it's not this one, it's TikTok. So yeah, just search TikTok here on the App Store, open the original page. As you can see, I have the latest update installed. So if you see here some button that says update again to update the app to the latest version. And after doing this, now you're ready to install the extension that will modify the original app. So you can close this now, and now we're going to use a browser. For iOS, I recommend to use Safari, but for Android, you can literally use any browser, Chrome, Firefox, any browser. Okay, so now we're gonna tap here and just introduce the original page, which is appsave.club. So this is the official page of the developers of this mod, appsave.club. So after you access this page, you need to type here on search TikTok, and then you will see here this TikTok plus plus app. Just tap on it. And now tap again here on Start Injection, and then you will see that this will connect. It will say connect with your phone, downloading TikTok. So what it's doing in the background, it's installing this extension called TikTok Plus Plus, which is original from this page called APK. And yeah, this is basically a tool that you can install on Android and iOS devices without downloading anything, since it's just an extension. And each time you open that extension, it will open the original app, and that will modify the amount of coins. Plus, it will unlock the store, so you'll be able to unlock more coins and all that. So after this gets complete, you will see this page, this message. You'll get app injected. Please check your device home screen. If it's the first time you visit AppSave, you might see some instructions here. Normally, it's like a captcha installing one or two apps. If you have any problem, just reach into the super chat you'll find here in the bottom right. They will help you on anything you need. But after you do this one time, you will never have to do this again, okay? So when you get this message, you can close this, and now check your home screen, and here you'll find this extension called TikTok Plus Plus. So now each time you run this extension, this will run the original TikTok app that you have. And now you need to head to profile here in the menu. You need to go to balance, and automatically this will add you a limited amount of coins on your TikTok account. So this is it, guys. I hope that this has been useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.